Hello everyone, I'm Laurel and welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button and help my community grow. Okay, so I chose 6 glitter colors and I'm just going to use my mixing bowl and I'm going to pour a fair amount into the bowl. Now if you're using 2-part epoxy, you can mix up a bigger batch than what I'm doing, but since it's UV resin, I'm just mixing up a small batch. I may have to do it several times for these projects, but that is okay. So I'm just going to start putting things in here. And there's no certain amount to pour in. I'm just pouring in what I feel is a good amount for this. And what I like about this is you don't have to use any colorant. Okay, so when I mix it up, it's very thick. You definitely will need more curing time for this. So I'll start with the horse and possibly the earrings. We'll see how much we get out of this batch. Okay, I have a little bit running off here. I just want to clean that up. And make sure that you move the glitter and resin to these small little areas. And it all depends on what mold you're using. And again, you don't have to use the same molds as I am. Okay, so I think I want to create, let me see if I can find one in here. Oh, there's one. I'm just going to take the little star out and I'm going to drop it in where his little eye is. I'm going to try to get it. Oh, see, now it won't. It's so, it sunk down. That's okay. And I'm just going to move this over just a little bit. And then now we'll pour the earrings. And since these are a bit smaller, I'm going to have to move it around. And some of the bigger chunks kind of get stuck in areas you don't want them to be in. Right, and so this, because this was so thick with the glitter, you're going to take a little more time. So I'm going to do 5 minutes on the top, and then I'm going to turn it over and do 5 minutes. Now, if you have one of the UV lights that has both lights on top and the bottom, and then this just goes into the center tray, just do 5 minutes. Okay, so while those are off to the side curing, there's some left in here, but I would like to mix up more because there's a couple more projects I want to do. Now for the glitter, use any combination of colors you want. They don't have to be colors that go with each other. Just pour them in and have some fun. Now I did stars last time. I have some stars left in there. So I'll put some more. And I would like some hearts. So I'm going to get some, if I can get them out, some pink hearts. Oops, they kind of got all over. So I'll just toss them in if I can get them. And then we can start putting in the colors. Again, just pour any way you want. You could do a lot of one color and a little of another. Just have fun with it. And again, just, you know, mix it up. It's very thick. And I'm going to do the earrings, and I'm going to do the cat. So let's see how I'm going to do the earrings. I don't know if it'll just pour in. Oh, yes it does. That's nice. It did go over on the sides a little bit, so I think I did a little bit too much, which I can start taking some out. It'll just go back into the mold after you take the over amount out. And I see I'm dripping from underneath here. Get that cleaned up. And let's see if we can get more out. Just one more. And then you can see that the stuff that was overflowed is now flowing back into the mold. And then we'll do one of these cats. And since I have so much, I had a little bit of an idea for this paw print. And I'm going to put, oops, a little bit of pink mica powder in there for its little toe beans. All I'm doing is just getting a little bit at the end of the brush and just painting it in, just in the little toe beans. Okay. And now pour this in there. Now I'm not really sure how that's going to look, but I hope it looks nice. All right. So now I'm going to get these curing, again, 5 minutes, and I'll be right back. Alright, before I cure it, I decided to get some metallic gold mica powder and just put this in the bottom of this circle here for either a pendant or a pair of earrings. I'm not really sure. And then I'll pour this in. And some of the gold kind of rose up, so I'm just going to kind of swirl it a little bit into the earring. I might just get a, oh, that's the pink. Oops, didn't want that. This is just an experiment. I just want to see what's going to happen. I'm just going to tap a little bit of the gold onto that. And then kind of swirl it around. And you can still see the glitter underneath. So the one side will be gold, and then this one will just have a little bit of glitter, or a little bit of gold on the top. So now we'll cure it for the 5 minutes. Okay, now that they're cured, they're ready to take out of the mold. I think that'll make a really pretty pair of earrings. You can also use these for charms, if you'd like. You can make pendants out of these. Oh, this turned out really pretty. Okay, let's do the cat first. Oh, that turned out so nice. Now for this, you'd have to drill a hole and use it for a charm, or, you know, whatever you want, pendant earrings. Same with this one, but for beginners, anything with the hole that's already in it is perfect. And this one, oh, we did the little toe beans, and look how cute that looks. That is adorable. And even using the mica powder, that's also great for beginners. Oh, this makes a fabulous pair of earrings. Oh, well, I didn't make the other one yet, but I'll do that off camera. And then there's this one. Oh, let's see. Well, I don't know about that. I don't think it turned out very good. I like the front though, so I think what I'll do is, I'll have to figure it out. But I'm definitely going to do a pair of earrings like this with the swirl, but I'm not going to do the mica powder on the bottom because that did not turn out the way I thought it would, and yeah, that's that. So I'm going to do the other one's off camera. I'm going to redo this one, but without the mica powder on the bottom. So I'll be right back.